You joining us today, we have attorneys Clancy Boylan and Ed Saramboli from Fellerman and Saramboli in Kingston. Guys, great to see you.
It's Clancy's last day. Greg comes back tomorrow.
I know, he's been doing a great job.
We should have a cake for Greg.
We should. I should get Clancy a cake. He's done well. All right, let's get to our question today, and this one involves an interesting incident with a fraternity from Maryland and Tamaqua. My son belongs to a fraternity and was sued recently for negligence. Are my assets at risk? Is Maryland and Tamaqua, does she have anything to worry about here?
Well, Maryland, I don't know if necessarily your assets are going to be at risk, but in this particular case, you know, these fraternities, they have insurance, but there's so many exclusions and exemptions in their policies of insurance that, you know, your son's actions at the fraternity, if your son was negligent, they could come after your son, and your homeowner's insurance, may apply to this. When your question specifically was, are your assets at risk? Probably not, but your son, certainly has some potential liability, in this particular, situation. I don't see any way around that, on this one.
No, Ed is right. They could come after your homeowner's insurance, so it's important to have a conversation with your son, because with frat parties, I'm sure you're well aware that they would probably have some alcohol there, and decisions can be flawed. So have a conversation with your son and let him know that his actions could influence, the home life and your homeowner's insurance and your pocketbook. So have a conversation with him, and hopefully he'll make the correct decisions.
All right, some good advice. And if our viewers need your legal help, what's the best way to reach you?
You can call us at 570-714-HURT, or check us out on the web, or call Greg on the hotline.
Right, or go to our Facebook page. You never went to a fraternity party.
Never.
You never.
Never.
Were drinking at a fraternity
Nope.
party. Nope, me either. It happens. I mean, have a conversation with your son, though. I mean, Clancy's right on the money there. If you have a question, put it on our Facebook page. Do our best to answer it in an upcoming segment.
All right, Clancy has done a great job over the last several days here for Greg. Attorneys Clancy Boylan and Ed Saramboli. Results matter with these guys. Thank you so much.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks for having me.
Don't forget, we can get your question here on the show. Just hit us up at pahomepage.com or on the Law and You hotline.